Have you ever placed a trade and the market instantly moves the other way? Well, it's not bad luck. Institutions control liquidity, and you can't see what they're doing. But what if you could? What if you knew exactly where the big money was buying and selling before it happened? That's exactly what my Institutional Liquidity Indicator does. It works on ThinkorSwim, and it reveals hidden institutional footprints in real time so you trade with the big money, not against it. Let's break it down. First, it tracks real support and resistance levels, where institutions buy and sell. These levels are not random. They're built from a rolling 20-bar high-low range, where institutions are actually placing orders. A yellow support line shows where institutions are accumulating, and a yellow resistance line shows where they're selling. Next, it detects large block trades, orders over 6,000 shares. If a green arrow appears, institutions are buying. A red arrow, they're unloading shares. No more guessing. Now you know exactly where the big money is positioning before the move happens. But there's more. We also track relative volume spikes. When volume is significantly higher than average, which is relative volume over 1.2, it confirms institutional involvement. Combine this with block trades and support levels, that's a high probability setup. And to filter out weak trades, the indicator tracks bid-ask spreads. A tight spread under 0.08 means liquidity is high and institutions are actively trading. If the spread is too wide, stay out. There's no institutional presence. So, how do you trade this? For long entries, look for a yellow support line plus a green block trade arrow. Add confirmation with a bullish reversal candle like a hammer or an engulfing pattern. For short entries, look for a yellow resistance line plus a red block trade arrow. If a bearish rejection candle forms, institutions are selling. It's time to short. Avoid trades if price is in the middle with no clear institutional presence. Institutions drive the market. If they're not taking a position, neither should you. This tool isn't just about finding trades. It's about increasing accuracy, reducing false signals, and improving risk management and aligning your strategy with institutional activity. It's built for the large caps and ETFs like SPY, QQQ, Apple, NVDA, Tesla, where liquidity matters most. Best of all, you can customize it to fit your trading style. You can adjust the time frame, toggle support and resistance lines, refine volume sensitivity, or track specific symbols like SPY or individual stocks. Traders using this indicator have already spotted major institutional moves on SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, and more before the price exploded. Now it's your turn to trade with the smart money. Don't trade blind another day. Click the link in the description or pinned comment below to learn more and get access to my full suite of custom indicators designed to work on the ThinkorSwim trading platform. And if you're ready to dive deeper into more of my custom indicators, check out the videos right here. They're packed with insights to help you stay green and maximize your profits. Good luck with your trading.